Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Here we have a book of art mind for step 4. Today we are going to do page number 14. Here we have a teddy bear to draw. For drawing and coloring we need pencil color and black pointer. Let's start drawing. For drawing you can follow the step given at the left side of page 14. Firstly, draw a circle and oval shape overlapping each other like this. Make remaining parts of body by using simple drawing techniques. Now complete your drawing by drawing its face and dress. Now give a black outline to the picture by using black pointer. Now let's color it. Use any color of your choice. I am using random color of my choice. Students, stalks should be made in one direction only. So we had done our picture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Now practice it. Allah Hafiz.